Hello everyone. Now we are going to start with the question number 4 of exercise 13.3. This is a very important question for board point of view also of class 10th NCERT. Yes, so the chapter name is surface areas and volumes. So question number 4 is a well of a diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. Yes, so the diameter of the well is 3 meter and the height of the well is 14 meter. Yes, the earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter. To form an embankment, find the height of the embankment. Yes, so let me explain you with the diagram. Yes, now this is the well. According to the question, this is the well. Yes, so when they dug the well, yes, जब उन्होंने well बनाया तो of course there is lot of earth taken out. यहाँ पे well बनाने के लिए मिट्टी निकाला होगा बाहर. Yes, that is they are saying the earth taken out. Yes, that earth, that the material that taken out to after making this well is spread all over. Yes, to make a embankment. What is embankment? They have spread like this. Yes, yes. Now this is, yes, so this is the actually height. This is the height of the embankment that we need to find out. Yes, and this is the width. Yes, that is of 4 meter. Yes, if we see from the top, suppose हम ऊपर से देखें well को, तो this is the mouth of the well. Yes, and this is the embankment. Just like we can say एक चबूतरा जो चारों तरफ कुएं की तरफ बना दिया जाता है, that is they want to say. Yes, and this is, we need to find out, this is the width and this is the height of that embankment. Yes, yes, so we need to find out this height. This is the view from the top. Yes, now the radius, a well of a diameter 3 meter, so the diameter D is equal to 3 meters. Yes, and the height is dug 14 meter deep. Deep means the 14 meter is the height. Yes, so this is the height of the well. Now we need to find out this height. Yes, this height of the embankment. Yes, that we need to find out. Yes, now what we can say, the radius will be, see, the radius will be D 3 upon 2, that is equal to 1.5 meter. Radius small r is of well. Yes, and the width of this one is the width only. Yes, this the width of the embankment is 4 meter. Yes, if suppose I want to say this is this radius, this will be to the end of the embankment. Yes, जो उसका edge है वहाँ तक capital, suppose we will assume with the capital R, that will be, the radius will be 1.5, that is this one. Yes, and plus 4 meters, that will be equal to 5.5 meter. Yes, now we need to find out the height. Yes, now what we can see here, this will also of a cylindrical shape. Yes, because it is a height also, it is a width also. Yes, and the radius is also given, radius is also there. Yes, this is 1.5 meter and this one complete one is, this is the capital R and this capital R is, see this one, this is capital R and this is small r. Yes, so small r is, that is 1.5 meter, that is all given of the well, and this complete is of the, that is capital R, that is equal to 5.5 meter. Now the volume of this is also equal to the volume of the well, because the earth taken out from this well and is used to make this embankment. Yes, so now these 2 points are, I guess these 2 points are very clear to you. It means volume of embankment is equal to volume of well. Yes, and both are of the cylindrical shape. Yes, now when we want to talk about the volume of embankment, see the formula for the volume of cylinder. See that we know that volume of cylinder, because the well is in the shape of cylinder, is equal to pi r square h. Yes. Now, but in the case of embankment, we can see the capital R is there. Yes, we need to find out this only, the dotted one. Yes, so the dotted one has a radius capital R minus small r. Yes, when we talk about this one, this portion, yes, the radius for the cylinder, yes, this is the embankment now. So this is the, when we want to talk about the radius, the capital R minus small r. Yes, so what we can say here for this, that will be pi r square h. H is the height, h is the height of the embankment, minus pi r square h, this one, yes, inner one, yes, is equal to pi r square h. Yes, now we need to put the values only. Yes, now we can say, we can see here, see we can take here also the capital H will come. Yes, because here we are talking about this embankment and the height will be the same, remain same. Yes, we need to find out the this cylinder, this is the portion. Yes, we can see the top, this one. Yes, now pi r square minus r square h is equal to pi r square h. See, this complete equation is of the 1.5 mark. Yes, now we simply need to put the values only. So we have already find out the values. Pi, capital R is 5.5, inner radius plus this 4 meter wide. Yes, inner radius plus 4 meter wide. Yes, so capital R is 5.5 square minus small r is 1.5 square. Yes, capital H is equal to pi and small r is again 1.5 square into h. What is the h? H is given to us 40. Yes, now we need to simply solve this. Yes, so pi will be cancelled out. Yes, now we will use here identity, that is easy for me, that I find really easy, that when we use this identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus into a minus b. But you can directly find the square of 5.5 and subtract the square of 1.5. You can directly also do it, but I find it very easy when I do like this. 5.5 plus 1.5, 5.5 minus 5.5, capital H is equal to, see, 1.5 square, the square of 15 is 225. Yes, and the decimal will come 2.25. Yes, into 14. Yes, so 5.5 plus 1.5, that will become 5 plus 5, that will 10, 6, and that will become 7. 7.0 Yes, that is 7, but to make it clear, I have written this. Yes, 5 minus 5 0, and 5 minus that is will become 4. Basically 7 to 4 into capital H, that is equal to 2.25 into 40. Yes, now we need to find out the value of H that is required. Yes, so H is equal to 2.25 into 14 upon 7 into 4. Yes, so 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Yes, now 2.25 upon 2, that is equal to 1.1, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, that is meters. Yes, this is the height. I hope it is clear. Thank you.